Have you ever felt like you're doing everything right, eating salads, hitting the gym, but the scale just won't budge? It's incredibly frustrating, I know. But what if I told you the secret to unlocking your weight loss potential isn't just about calories in, calories out? What if it's hidden deep within your gut? That's right, today we're diving into the fascinating world of gut health and how nurturing your internal ecosystem can be the game changer you've been searching for on your weight loss journey. So, what's the big deal with gut health anyway? Well, think of your gut as a bustling city populated by trillions of microorganisms, collectively known as your gut microbiome. These tiny residents aren't just freeloaders, they play a crucial role in everything from your mood and immune system to, you guessed it, your weight. When this city is in balance with a diverse and thriving population of good bacteria, your body functions like a well-oiled machine. But when bad bacteria start to take over, it can lead to inflammation, digestive issues, and stubborn weight gain. Let's break down how this works. A healthy gut microbiome helps your body digest food more efficiently, extracting all the good stuff like vitamins and minerals while getting rid of waste. Certain types of good bacteria even produce compounds called short-chain fatty acids, or SCFAs. These are superstars for weight management. They help regulate your appetite by influencing hunger hormones like ghrelin and leptin, making you feel fuller for longer. They can also boost your metabolism, encouraging your body to burn fat for energy instead of storing it. On the other hand, an imbalanced gut, a state called dysbiosis, can throw a wrench in the works. It can increase inflammation throughout your body, which is strongly linked to obesity and metabolic problems. An unhealthy gut might also lead to insulin resistance, making it harder for your body to manage blood sugar levels and increasing the likelihood of fat storage, especially around the belly area. Plus, it can trigger cravings for sugary and processed foods, creating a vicious cycle that's hard to break. So, the key takeaway here is simple. A happy gut equals a happy metabolism. By focusing on nourishing those good gut bugs, you're not just improving digestion, you're setting the stage for sustainable and effective weight loss. Now that we understand the why, let's get to the how. How do we actually eat to support a healthy gut and promote weight loss? It's all about feeding the good guys and starving the bad ones. The number one food for your good gut bacteria is fiber, specifically prebiotic fiber, which is found in a huge variety of plant foods. Think of prebiotics as the fertilizer for your gut garden. Foods rich in prebiotics include things like onions, garlic, leeks, asparagus, bananas, oats, and apples. When you eat these foods, you're directly feeding the beneficial bacteria, helping them thrive and multiply. Next up, we have probiotics. These are the live beneficial bacteria themselves. You can find them in fermented foods, which have been a staple in healthy diets around the world for centuries. Things like yogurt with live active cultures, kefir, sauerkraut, kimchi, kombucha, and miso are all fantastic sources of probiotics. Incorporating a variety of these foods into your diet helps to introduce new, beneficial strains of bacteria into your gut, increasing the diversity of your microbiome, which is a key indicator of good gut health. Another powerful group of foods to include are those rich in polyphenols. These are plant compounds that have antioxidant properties. They not only fight inflammation, but also act as food for your gut microbes. Think of brightly colored fruits and vegetables. Berries, dark chocolate, green tea, and even red wine in moderation are packed with polyphenols. They add another layer of support for your gut and overall health. So, what should you limit? The main culprits that harm your gut health are highly processed foods, excessive sugar, and artificial sweeteners. These foods tend to feed the less desirable bacteria, promoting inflammation and disrupting the delicate balance of your gut. Think of it this way. Every time you choose a whole, unprocessed food over a packaged, sugary one, you're casting a vote for a healthier gut. It's about making conscious choices that nourish your body from the inside out. Don't stress about being perfect. Focus on progress. Start by adding one new gut-friendly food to your meals each day. It's these small, consistent changes that build up to create a massive positive impact over time. Feeling a bit overwhelmed with all this information? Don't worry, I've got you covered. To make things super easy and show you just how delicious gut-friendly eating can be, I've put together a sample 7-day meal plan. This isn't a strict diet, but rather a guide to inspire you and give you concrete ideas for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Let's kick off with day 1. For breakfast, how about a bowl of oatmeal topped with berries and a sprinkle of flax seeds? Oats provide prebiotic fiber, berries are full of polyphenols, and flax seeds add extra fiber and healthy fats. For lunch, a big salad with mixed greens, grilled chicken, chickpeas, cucumber, and a lemon tahini dressing. This is packed with fiber, protein, and healthy fats to keep you full. For dinner, baked salmon with roasted asparagus and a side of quinoa. Salmon is rich in omega-3s, which fight inflammation, asparagus is a top prebiotic food, and quinoa is a complete protein and fiber source. On day 2, you could start your morning with a smoothie. Blend spinach, a banana, a scoop of plain Greek yogurt, and some almond milk. It's a quick and easy way to get in greens, probiotics, and prebiotics. For lunch, let's do some lentil soup. Lentils are a powerhouse of fiber and plant-based protein. Enjoy it with a slice of whole grain sourdough bread. Dinner could be a turkey and vegetable stir-fry with brown rice. Use lots of colorful veggies like bell peppers, broccoli, and carrots, and season with ginger and garlic, which are both fantastic for your gut. Moving on to day 3. Breakfast can be scrambled eggs with a side of sautéed mushrooms and spinach, plus a slice of avocado toast on whole grain bread. For lunch, a quinoa bowl with black beans, corn, avocado, and a lime dressing. This is a classic, satisfying, and incredibly gut-healthy meal. For dinner, try some shepherd's pie, but with a sweet potato topping instead of regular potatoes for extra fiber and nutrients. For day 4, let's have some chia seed pudding for breakfast. Prepare it the night before with almond milk and top it with sliced almonds and peaches. It's creamy, delicious, and loaded with fiber. Lunch could be leftovers from last night's shepherd's pie. Always a great time saver. For dinner, how about some grilled shrimp skewers with a large side of mixed roasted vegetables like zucchini, eggplant, and bell peppers? Day 5 breakfast, a bowl of plain kefir with a handful of walnuts and a drizzle of honey. Kefir is a probiotic powerhouse. For lunch, a wrap using a whole wheat tortilla filled with hummus, grated carrots, cucumber, and baby spinach. Simple, fresh, and full of fiber. Dinner can be a cozy chicken and vegetable soup. Use lots of celery, carrots, onions, and maybe some barley for extra prebiotic fiber. As we head into the weekend, day 6 starts with a fun breakfast of buckwheat pancakes topped with plain yogurt and fresh berries. Buckwheat is a fantastic gluten-free grain that's great for your gut. For lunch, an apple and cheddar cheese with a handful of almonds makes for a simple yet balanced and satisfying meal. For dinner, let's have a homemade pizza night, but on a whole wheat crust. Top it with tomato sauce, lots of veggies, and maybe some fermented sausage like pepperoni, in moderation. Finally, on day 7, you could have a Greek yogurt parfait for breakfast with layers of yogurt, granola, and mixed berries. For lunch, enjoy a big batch of pre-made 3-bean salad with a light vinaigrette. It's refreshing and packed with fiber. To wrap up the week, dinner could be a comforting roast chicken with a side of roasted Brussels sprouts and a small baked sweet potato. Remember, hydration is also key. Drinking plenty of water throughout the day helps fiber do its job and keeps your digestive system moving smoothly. And don't forget to listen to your body. This meal plan is a template. Feel free to swap things out based on what you enjoy and what's available to you. The goal is to build a healthy, enjoyable eating pattern that you can stick with for the long haul. This journey is about nourishing your body and feeling your best, not about restriction. Thank you so much for watching today. I hope this has shown you the powerful connection between your gut and your weight and inspired you to start making some positive changes. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more wellness tips. I'd love to hear from you in the comments. What's your favorite gut-friendly food? See you in the next video.